Nail clippers set. Nail clippers set use for fingernail and toenail. Finger and toe independent special tools for healthy purposes. Total is 12 pieces, enough to share or replace. Classical business nail clipper. The classical nail clippers are made of quality stainless steel to provide more functionality and durability. Nail clipper set with sturdy anti-slip lever, lets you distant from bending and slipping problem. Smooth blades. Nail clippers are made up of stainless steel with sufficiently smooth blades. Stainless steel blades cut thick nails smoothly and easily with no need for filing, preventing nail splitting and the toenails. Comfortable handle. Nail clippers handles are designed slightly longer to provide the comfort while clipping the nails, which allows you to avoid uneven cuts and it requires less force to control. Portable and lightweight. Nail clippers lightweight and easy to carry. Keep your fingernails and toenails clean at all times. The product is suitable for people of most ages. Top reviews from the United States. Nice clippers. My church has been assembling personal care kits for Lutheran World Relief for people in need in Ukraine and throughout the world. Each kit requires a nail clippers. This was such an easy way to buy a large quantity of clippers at a reasonable price. Thank you, Amazon.